Homeowners in League City are always looking for smart ways to raise their property value, boost curb appeal, and create a more comfortable living environment. One of the most effective upgrades, yet often underestimated, is installing modern window designs. Today's windows offer far more than a clear view. They improve energy performance, enhance aesthetics, increase safety, and ultimately make your home more attractive to buyers. Whether you're updating your forever home or preparing to list your property, modern window designs can deliver a strong return on investment. Stronger curb appeal and fresh architectural style. Your windows play a major role in how your home looks from the outside. Older windows can make even a well-kept home appear dated, while modern designs instantly refresh and elevate your property's architectural style. Popular options like sleek casement windows, large picture windows, and contemporary black-framed units are especially appealing in League City neighborhoods where homeowners appreciate clean lines and coastal-inspired aesthetics. New window designs also offer more customization than ever before. From grille patterns to frame colors and materials, you can tailor your windows to match your home's exterior design. This flexibility lets homeowners create a polished, cohesive look that stands out, an important advantage in a competitive real estate market. Improved energy efficiency for lower utility bills. League City experiences hot, humid summers and mild winters, which means your home's ability to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures is essential. Modern windows are built with advanced insulation technologies, such as low-E coatings, double or triple panes, gas fills, and thermal spacers, that reduce heat transfer and block harmful UV rays. These features help keep your home cooler in the summer, warmer in the winter, and more energy efficient year-round. Buyers in League City increasingly look for homes with energy-saving upgrades, and efficient windows are one of the most visible and valuable features they notice. Not only do they lead to lower monthly utility bills, but they also lessen the strain on your HVAC system, extending its lifespan. This combination of comfort and cost savings can significantly boost your home's market appeal. Better indoor comfort and natural lighting. Modern window designs offer homeowners a better balance of comfort and natural light. Larger glass areas and slimmer frames allow more sunlight into your home, making your indoor spaces brighter, more welcoming, and more visually appealing. Many buyers consider natural lighting a top priority, especially in living rooms, kitchens, and bedrooms. At the same time, improved glass technology allows these bigger windows to protect your interior from excessive heat and UV damage. This means you can enjoy beautifully lit rooms without fading furniture, rising temperatures, or glare. In League City, where sunny days are common, this blend of beauty and comfort is highly valuable to homeowners and prospective buyers alike. Enhanced security and durability. Modern windows are built with stronger materials and advanced locking systems that increase home security, a key selling point for families and homeowners seeking peace of mind. Multi-point locks, impact-resistant glass options, and reinforced frames offer better protection against forced entry and harsh weather conditions. For coastal communities like League City, where storms and high winds can pose a threat, having durable, storm-ready window designs adds another layer of confidence and value. Homes featuring these upgrades often stand out in the real estate market because they require less maintenance and provide long-term protection. A smart investment that boosts resale value. When it comes to home improvements, modern windows consistently deliver one of the highest returns on investment. They enhance aesthetics, improve functionality, reduce energy costs, and increase safety, all desirable features for today's buyers. Homes with new windows often sell faster and at higher prices compared to homes with older or outdated window designs. For League City homeowners, upgrading to modern windows is not just a cosmetic improvement, it's a practical, value-boosting investment that enhances daily living while strengthening long-term property value.